Are you worried about remote jobs in USA? Can't understand how to get a remote job in USA? Then today's video is for you. Getting a remote job in the USA, like anywhere else, requires careful planning and effort. Here are steps to help you secure a remote job in the USA. Identify your skills and interests. Determine what skills and expertise you possess and what type of remote job you're interested in. This will help you target your job search more effectively. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Tailor your resume to showcase your relevant skills and experience. Also, ensure your LinkedIn profile is up to date and professional. Job search websites. Utilize popular job search websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and remote.co. Many companies post remote job openings on these platforms. Company websites. Visit the websites of companies you're interested in working for. Some companies exclusively post remote job opportunities on their websites. Remote job boards. Explore specialized remote job boards like workremotely, FlexJobs, and remote.ok. These platforms focus on remote job listings. Freelance and gig platforms. Consider freelancing or gig work platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. They often have remote opportunities in various fields. Customize your applications. Tailor your job applications to each position you apply for. Highlight relevant skills and experience that match the job description. Remote work tools. Familiarize yourself with remote work tools like Zoom, Slack, Trello, and project management software, as many remote jobs require their use. Stay organized. Keep track of the jobs you've applied to, interview dates, and follow-ups. It's crucial to stay organized during your job search. Skill development. Invest in improving your skills or gaining certifications relevant to your field. Online courses and certifications can make your profile more attractive to employers. Remember that the competition for remote jobs can be fierce, so having a strong online presence and continuously improving your skills will increase your chances of landing a remote job in the USA. Thanks for watching this full video. If you think it's productive, then please subscribe our channel.